remove the upper engine cover. Unscrew the top of the air filter housing. Remove the vacuum hose from the air inlet tube. Disconnect the mass airflow electrical connector. Loosen the clamp behind the mass airflow. Remove the upper part of the filter housing with the pipe and the flow meter. Remove the air filter from the housing. Remove the air intake to the filter housing. Remove the bottom part of the air filter housing. Disconnect the battery clamps in the correct order. Bring out the battery. Unscrew the 3 screws from the battery base. Remove battery base. For the purpose of this movie, the coolant has been drained from the system. Otherwise, clamp the water pipes with the dedicated clamps. Loosen and slide away from the clamps bands. Carefully disassemble the water hoses so as not to damage them. Remove the 3 bolts fasten the oil cooler to the gearbox housing. Remove the oil cooler. The new oil cooler is delivered without O-rings. Remove the old O-rings from the gearbox housing. Clean the place of reassembly thoroughly. Install the new O-rings. The installation place should be dry and clean. Install the new oil cooler. Screw to the gearbox housing with the appropriate torque. Use a torque wrench for this matter. Remove the dust caps from the water inlets. Plug the water hoses. Pay attention to the correct positioning of the clamps. Open the water inlet on the hoses. Reassemble all parts in reverse order. Follow the venting procedure carefully. Pour the coolant up to the upper mark on the expansion tank. Close the expansion tank. Start the engine and keep it running at 2000 RPMs for approximately 3 minutes. Let the engine idle until the radiator fans turns on. Fill up with coolant as needed.